Hello, welcome back to Codingbox Automation Lab. This is Sharful. So this lecture is about left join. We have seen my last lecture. We have seen the inner join. Now it's a left join, or some people they call left outer join. So left outer join in SQL, what it does, it's return all the records from the left table. If you have a table 2 A and B, so it will return all the records from the left table. I mean table 1 or table A, and the matches record from the right table. So in your right table, there is a little part that match with the table A or table 1. Okay, so it will return all the records from the left table as well as the matching records from the right table. The rows for which there is no matching row on right side, so in right side you can see there's a lots of there will be lots of rows, lots of record will not match. It's not matching with the table A or table 1. That those results set will contain null. Okay, left join is also known as a left outer join. So bottom line, it will, when you do a left join from the between two between two table, it will return all the records from the left join. From the left table. That's why it's called the left join. So it's give a priority from the left table, the first table, and also the matching record from the table 2, and the record which is not going to match in table 2, those will be null. And syntax would be same like inner join, same, select table 1 column 1 table 1 column 2 as we need the columns. We want to retrieve the data from different columns in table 1 and 2. We'll use like this way, and after that we'll say from table 1 then left join with the table 2, left join table 2, then on keyword, and then matching column equals to between two table. So here we can see, let's do an example. So what will happen if we have a in our last tutorial we have created two table. One is student, another one is student course. If you haven't seen my previous video, please watch that. You can see we have created two tables. One is a student table like this, like it has lots of columns, roll number, name, address, phone, age. And student course, we have a two column, course ID and roll number. So in between two table we have a matching column, it's roll number. Okay, in the roll number, in this two column we have also record. The rows are matching is up to 5, 1 2 3 up to 5. You can see 1 2 3 up to 5, but here 6 7 8 and here 9 10 11, those are not matching. Those last three rows is not matching for the row column between two table. If you want to do the inner join here, okay, it should be, the output should be like this. So if we want to get the just name and course ID, between two column, between two rows, between two table, we're going to find the name and course ID between these two table using left inner join. That time we'll see all the names from the all the names from the left the table 1, which is the left one, like the student table. You can see his output. Where is the output? All the names you can see. Niraj is the last person. Rohit, Niraj is the last two. You can see Rohit and Niraj is the Rohit and Niraj. So all the records from the left table will get it, and from the right table the course ID will show the matching one. Matching one is up to 5. So the course ID will show 1 2 3 4 5 row. It will show this, and for this remaining the 9 10 11, instead of 9 10 11 it will be null. Okay, you can see here the output. You can see it shows the first 5, and then the course ID last 3, it's a null because those are the non-matching rows from the right table. Okay, I hope you understand. So let's go back to our Eclipse, our SQL, and then do the query. So we're saying we'll use the same thing. So let's copy the code from my previous lecture. We'll say select student. We want to name, we don't want to age, we want to name, and we want and a course ID. So student.name is student course ID from student. This is the first table, and the inner join with the second table is student course on, not the inner join, sorry, it will be, we're going to do the left join, after left join, right? And the matching column, both are student roll number. So student.roll number equals to student course.roll number. Let's run it. You can see, here we go. If you see the result here, it matches here output also in from our node, in our node. So it's this is the the name column. It comes from the name columns comes from the first table, so which is the left table, right? So it's since it's a left join, so it's a priority the left join, so in the left table, so it will retrieve all the records from the left tables, whatever the column we select. So we select we select the name column, so it shows all the records, like all the records. You can see it shows all the records. And from the right table, we want the course ID, so it will show the course ID, those records which is match between these two tables. So in these two tables we have a matching column, roll number, and its matching record is up to 5. It's up to 5. You can see it's up to 5. Up to 5 is the course ID is 12231. It's 12231, and the rest, it's the rest of the rows from the right table, rest of the rows, like it has a 9, 10, 11. So 9, 10, 11 is going to be null, okay, because the records is not matching from the right table. We see in also here. So 9, 10, 11, those are the records in from the table B. It's here. It's not matching. So those record will be null, like this. Okay, so that's all about the left join. It's very simple and easy if you can understand it. Okay, thank you so much, and I will see you in next tutorial about the right join. You have a good one.